system we sell is guaranteed for 2 years. The guarantee runs in 6 monthly intervals, and it will then roll on to the next 6 months as long as you change the filters. You will get a reminder sent out from us. It's really critical that you change them because the anti-scale filter in particular will protect the tank from scale buildup. Okay? When your filter needs changing, obviously they'll be installed under your kitchen cupboard. It is as simple as a quarter turn. Okay, you can remove the actual housing. You then unscrew the old filter and water will come out, and you put the new filter in for anti-scale, which is a paler grey colour, hole pointing upwards into the housing. Make sure the O-ring is still in situ. Simply screw into place, quarter turn, lock into place, and then switch the water back on, and you've just changed your scale filter. When you have a 4-in-1 system, you have a double filter, anti-scale, antibacteria. The antibacteria filter changes in exactly the same way and is a blue colour rather than grey, so that they can easily be identified.